And welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of the Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We got a delicious, beautiful, epic dish you're going to make, Hiro. Tell us what you're going to make.
Today we're gonna make truffle rice, black truffle rice, and actually sea urchin and ikura.
Okay.
We're gonna put it together. So today's main ingredients. I don't know which one is gonna be main ingredients, but let's see. It's from the right. This is black truffle, summer black truffle.
Okay.
I forgot the name. How do you call it? Fish egg, anyway.
Masago?
Masago, and then there's a red one.
Okay.
And ikura, scallion, Obba, and I'm thinking to use a golden flake.
Okay.
And this is the sea salt, Himalayan sea salt, and we have a spicy tuna I mixed already with the sriracha, sesame seeds, and kimchi sauce already.
Okay.
And here's a sea urchin, and here's a sushi rice.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
So first step, I'm gonna do a sushi rice mixed with the. I'm gonna mix the black truffle.
Okay. Let's begin.
So we put a little bit of sea salt first. Next one is a black truffle.
Okay. If you guys have never had this fresh black truffle, you must find a way to try it. Not the one that comes in a jar, the fresh one. This was $340 a pound, and just a piece alone, which was not even 10% of a pound, was like $38. But something so nice, really fresh, not pungent like the oil that you probably smelled. It's really, really nice.
Like that. Okay. Then I wanna keep one slice here. Okay, it's like first dish.
Okay.
With the Obba.
What was basically like a Japanese basil.
Right.
That's the best way to describe it.
Okay, next one is uni, sea urchin.
Sea urchin's really nice color, light, not dark, so it's really sweet to the taste. And it's from California.
The next one is ikura. Then black truffle on the top.
Oh, gorgeous.
Oh,
Look at this. Little gold flake.
yeah, golden flake.
Just because. Wow.
Okay, that's it. Oh, first dish here.
Your spicy tuna is so delicious, Hiro. So good.
Yeah.
Not just about spice, but it's about the overall taste. It's creamy, smooth. Just so good. A lot of people just add sriracha and Tabasco and call it a day. It's all you taste is the spice, not this. Wow, this one looks so good. Of course, I love Ikura.
And this is a Red
Tobiko.
Tobiko or Masago. And little Scallion.
I like how using the skewers as a chopstick. Oh, beautiful. So simple too.
It's so simple, right?
Just had the right ingredients and created a masterpiece.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you so much, Hiro.
Thank you. This is just for appetizer, you know.
Yes,
There was more like some spicy tuna tartare or kind of.
looks great. Well, Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
And here we go, the best part. Wow. All I can say is wow, Hiro. Enjoy this dish.
Sure.
Beautiful. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Look at this. Black truffle rice with uni, ikura. Slice of black truffle. Oh my goodness, it looks so good, Hiro.
And what is Ikura? Like this.
That looks great, Hiro. That's wonderful. How's it?
I like black truffle.
Hey, you got a whole
Really? And
another whole one here for you.
Obba too. Obba too.
Yeah. Oh wow, this has got to be really refreshing. Good.
Of course, you know,
Delicious.
if you put the Obba in the rice, it's gonna be the flavor gonna killing each other. You know,
Yeah,
more Obba is more stronger, but
that's great though.
I
Hiro.
really like it. Okay.
This looks so good. Especially the spicy tuna is so wonderful. Wow. You can imagine how smooth it must taste. This is food made for royalty. I'm telling you.
Very creamy. This seaweed.
Yeah. Wow. Let's turn this around here so everyone can see. It looks so good, Hiro.
Very good.
Well, enjoy. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
guys.
thank you.
See you soon, Hiro.
See you soon.